In this video, I am talking about the new syllabus, or you can say the revised syllabus due to the corona lockdown, the 30% less syllabus in this year. So don't be worried about the long social study syllabus. First, go through the history topic. The two themes are there. That means two part. In that part, first part, there are French Revolution, Russian Revolution, and the rise of Nazism. You need to all three ideology. The three themes should be compulsory for your history syllabus. And the second topic, economics and livelihood, pastoral and modern life, forest society and colonialism, farmer and peasant. But you choose only one term, any one. So, total history chapter are 4. 3 from the ideology and 1 from the economics and livelihood. You can choose any one theme of the following. And especially in 9th section, we focus on the pastoralist and the modern world. Second goes through that means the geography topic and subject. And in geography, you got 6 chapter previously, but now it is 5 chapter. In first chapter, India, that means location and size. Second, the physical feature of India. Third, the drainage. But in drainage, there is no theory portion, only map pointing over there. Fourth one, climate, and fifth one is natural vegetation. Population is not in the course in this year. Map is also very less, that is also 30% less. We will discuss the map on another video, but now we are getting the third part, that means the political science. In political science, the first is what is democracy and why democracy. Second, the constitutional design. Third, the electoral politics. Fourth, the working institution. After working institution, there is one chapter more, that is the democratic rights. But this year it is not in the syllabus. So, student, now we are talking about the fourth part of the social study, that is economics. There are 3 chapters in economics. The story of village Palampur. Second, people as resource, what is going on today. And the third is poverty as a challenge. And the fourth chapter, food security, is not in the syllabus. So all are clear. Each and every part you have less syllabus and less map work or project work. We need 5 period also for the project work, and this project work carry 5 marks. The main object of the project work should be on the disaster management and create awareness about the different disasters. Prepare them in advance, face such type of the situation, to prepare yourself for such type of situation. Ensure your participation in the disaster mitigation plan. Enable to create awareness and preparedness among the community. The project work should be help to your life skill and face day-to-day problem. So all are clear. What about the 30% less? Once again, what is the chapter delete from your lesson? That is history, only one from the second subunit. Geography, drainage, only map pointing, and the population is not in the part of your syllabus. Political science, the last chapter, democratic rights, is not in the syllabus, and the food security is not in the syllabus.